Oh, crap.
My son got into DeVry.
Ah, good. What do you have to do, open the door?
Can't you let me have anything?
Wait, hey, hang on. What are we fighting about?
You know, I have completely forgotten.
Me too.
Something about a coupon.
I cannot for the life of me remember.
Oh, my God, that's ridiculous. You know what? I hope I didn't hurt you.
No. I'm all right. I'm all right.
About that. But listen, you know what? Let me make it up to you. Why don't you let my wife and I take you out to dinner?
Well, that sounds lovely. Let me, I get that.
No, I got it.
No, I'm taking care of this.
No, your money's no good here.
No, my food was more expensive. I feel bad if
We invited you. I've got this.
Look, just let go of the check, huh?
You let go of the check.
I'm not taking my hand off this thing.
Well, neither am I.
Let go of the check.
Ernie, if he wants to...
Stay out of this!
Don't you talk to my wife like that.
Oh, yeah? What are you gonna do about it?